at many machines, Graeme, but this concept is new on me. Can you give me a little bit of an idea about what it is?
Yeah, I mean, here we have the Stama MC538, and Stama being part of the Chiron group. Both companies work very, very heavily into twin spindle, 4-spindle technology, where we can get the highest level of output from one machine, and then reducing takt time within the parts.
So essentially we've got 2 spindles here, but you could have 4.
Yeah, absolutely. Within Chiron and Stama, we both offer their 4-spindle versions as well. Here we have the new heavy-duty HSK 100 spindle here, now at a spindle distance of 600 centres, so we have the ability to handle much bigger parts than we've been able to do previously. And on this machine here, we're showing it with a 1300 bridge, the full clamping position hydraulic fixture. So
I'd be right in saying you're actually duplicating what you're doing in one spindle to the other, are you? They're not independent?
No, they're not independent. Effectively here where we got is copy milling. So effectively once the machine is set up, we're just looking at getting the level of productivity through there. They're not independent, but effectively everybody who knows how to set up tooling on a twin spindle will get very, very high levels of productivity.
And is it as simple as saying somebody would buy one of these just because they want to double their output?
Yeah, I think we're seeing in the UK, we're going through a period of automotive is doing extremely well. So a lot of the type of customers we're dealing with, the volumes are increasing. We've got nice ability now to look at Airbus programs, which are increasing massively as well. So between the two sectors, twin spindle technology, we are getting more requests to look at that.
And what about your tool changer on this machine? And I know you mentioned briefly the working envelope, but what size of parts can you go up to?
Yeah, well, I mean, here it depends. We have a 4-part load, so we have a 1300 bridge, so that then separates that into 640. But obviously we have to take into account the spindle distance of 600, so normally we just calculate the best fit, the best clamping arrangements.
And then the tooling finally?
The tooling, HSK 100. Great thing about this machine, very, very heavy duty, can do some very, very hard machining on here with a 400 Newton metre spindle.
And the amount of tool pockets?
The standard machine is 2x20 or 2x32, but we can expand this out with background magazines up to 200 tools.
Fair to say something different?
Absolutely, and it's nice to see us having a Stama here at the show.
Brilliant, thanks Graeme.
Cheers.